Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage, and today I'm going to show you around a car that's just arrived with us in stock, and this is a 2018 SEAT Arona SE technology finished in Desire Red Metallic. Now you can see that this one has the contrasting grey metallic roof, and we're going to give you a little video presentation to show you how nice this particular car is. So, going inside, one of the big things that the Arona is known for is this lovely big clear colour media screen. Now you can see the satellite navigation menu. You also have air conditioning, you have a wireless phone charger, 2 USB sockets and an auxiliary jack. Now this car is one that's actually been supplied by ourselves and has been serviced by ourselves as well. It's only covered 38,200 miles, so it's done a very low mileage in its 6-year lifespan. The rear seats are in great order as well. As you can see, those little tags on the bottom indicate that you can put ISOFIX car seats in there. Looking at the rear, you've got reversing sensors as well as what they call a 2-tiered false floor, so you can have a level boot if you want to carry things that want to jump in and out, dogs, etc. And coming around to this side, you can see you've got a lovely unmarked interior, and when we come up to the front seat, you can see again lovely unmarked, electric wing mirrors, electric windows, automatic headlights, and when you get into the cockpit you can see that this car has been very well loved. 5-speed manual gearbox, you have reversing sensors, and on that media system display, when you engage reverse, it also pops up with a park pilot as well, so hopefully makes life a little bit easier for you. There you go, 38,200 miles, and a leather steering wheel on there as well. So this car would leave us with a fresh MOT, it would be fully serviced, and it would come with a 12-month RAC parts and labour warranty. So if you have any questions or you want to part exchange your car, please get in touch. Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.